Hey friends, if you wish to fix keyboard backlight not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first kind of resolution is that there is a switch on your keyboard, a button. You can use it to turn it or turn the backlight on and off. Please make sure that this thing is sorted, because if the issue is with the hardware, no software level solution will help. The second thing is to search for mobility and then go to Windows Mobility Center. Okay, and in Windows Mobility Center you might find a backlit keyboard option here, so you can switch it on from here. Now I don't have that one, but that's the case. And the third one is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Go to device manager, expand the list for keyboards here, right click on the first one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.